Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, Nova Scotia, exit 11. Beautiful summer day, and here we have a brand new 260 ICE. This is a 2026 model, our first 26 of the year. As you can see, we've lit it up, and we've got the new LEDs on the awning as well as on the side of the trailer. Really pops, really looks nice. Outdoor speakers and a shower, refrigerator. It's got the new steps. Just a great unit. Come on inside. Oh, we might as well start right here. Two excellent long drawers right in front of your televator. Pop that down out of the way. It's quite easy. Your televator is in front of your kitchen table, which extends and has a fireplace in the front. So what a great trailer to relax away the night in once you're done. And away it goes. Cut your window back. Fantastic storage all the way around the kitchen here. And the counter space, well, speaks for itself. Something I keep mentioning here as well, we have these great new flip down hooks. And they seem to be all over the trailer, and they're made of metal. So it's nice to see the quality now. Great size, double over double bunks, each with its own privacy curtain. And in here, starts with more cabinetry than you'll see in most trailers. And look at the light behind the mirror. Just great. Walk-in shower, porcelain toilet. Storage under the bunks as well. If you've got a dog, you can put a dog bed under there. Here we have big sofa. Turns into a bed, of course. Should you need another bed, a third bed for the back. Extra chairs at the table. And there's your microwave here. And your range hood. Just tucks away nicely there. Again, the lighting, same as the outside. You've got a nice LED light that isn't as irritating as the old lights, and it'll dim. In through to the bedroom. Nice big bedroom. Lots of storage. And it has the king bed that goes up and down. You really don't lose any space here when you put the bed down. It's just a very little bit. It comes in and then drops down. More of those hooks that I like. Very good. Little spice rack on the side here. What more can I say about this? The 260 ICE at Pine Acres. Oh, what did you find? More storage. That's amazing. And of course the usual 11 cubic feet here. There. Pine Acres RV, exit 11, Stewiacke, Pine Acres.